Hello my friends! So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, today I'm super happy to show you some 10 different team roles. So we will start to learn them from the beginning, just from the easy moves to the advanced. And this is the really great move that you can use everywhere, absolutely. In the working Flair or in exhibition Flair, or just having fun with the team behind the bar when you have a time. Please subscribe my YouTube channel now, just press it. And yeah, like this video, make some comments. I need your feedback. I need your ideas, what you would like to see next from me. So let's start, guys. And the role number one, it's just a simple base one, looks like this. I don't want to explain you too much about this move because it's really easy move. So we just holding the shaker in this position, just normal position in the middle of the team, and throw like this. Just try to throw in the beginning. Don't do any rolls, just throw in front of you and catch. It can be mistakes when you spinning the shaker. You're throwing and the spinning same time. You don't need to spin, you just need to throw like this, just straight, and just control the team. And a bit of just try to scrolling the team here by our palm, so like this, yeah. And after just we join it our forearm, so, and this is the just rolling here, and we're catching same hand. You can catch in the beginning by the left hand, like this, and then just catch by same hand. Yeah. So the next one, the second roll, looks like this. It's also the absolutely basic roll. So we just holding the shaker in the same position. So, and we need to do this move that I showed you before, this one, but we're turning the hand like this and do the same here and controlling. And also the mistakes, if you do like this with the spinning, you can't do this roll, so just control the first. And then guys, look, I'm throwing, and right after I'm just going with my hand under the team and do like a slide. So look, yeah, so one more. And you can do to the front and to the back as well. So, yeah. So the next one, the third roll, guys, looks like this, also easy one. For example, we're doing some routine with the rocking Flair, and we can join this roll. Yeah, holding the same position, reverse grip, middle of the shaker. And look, I'm using the right hand, so I'm going from the left to right side. So from the left, I'm throwing absolutely the same technique. So like this. Not like this, yeah? Left to right. And then I'm just going with my right hand under the team. In the beginning you can catch by your other hand, and then just catch by the same hand. Yeah. So the next roll, guys. The next roll, it's an upgrade of our two basic roll that I showed you before, but this is also I think the basic move right now, because a lot of bartenders doing this move, but it's hardly difficult. Yeah. So what we're doing? If we did this move from this way, yeah, the palm moves up, but now we're just turning and doing from this position and trying to rolling the team also in this position as we did before. And then just look, when I'm joining my forearm, the team goes here, and then I'm just throw by my forearm Look, it's actually like inertia. The team goes here and I'm just changing the position of my hand and continue the roll here. You can roll in the beginning to the front and then just can do to behind. So, yeah. So the next roll, guys, the next roll looks like this. So actually it's not difficult roll. I'm doing from my left to right. What I'm doing, I'm just holding the same position, reverse grip. And look, I'm throwing the tin behind with no spin. And also, you know, everywhere just the same mistake. If you can control the tin and the tin goes like straight with no spinning, the tin is spinning but in this position, you know, like this, not like this. And this is the first mistake and the main mistake. So if you can control the tin with the right spinning and then I'm trying to join my shoulder and then turn my hand and the tin goes in this direction. Okay guys, the next one. Next one is going from this way and look, in my position, my right hand goes like this way and the left hand I'm just going by under my right hand and look, I'm going down with my back and look, all together. Yeah? So and you see the tin goes in this direction because I don't do anything special. So the tin goes here. And at the end we just trying to move in our body and helping the tin goes here. So I'm catching under. So look. Yeah? Easy, really easy guys. The next one, so just from right to the left, around our body. Here just guys, look, I'm trying to go not to the middle, I'm trying to go closer to this part of the shaker. To go under quick and going with my back like this. You just can trying to catch the tin here and then join the left hand. The mistakes you can do in the beginning and when you're trying to rolling, your hands probably can do like you're trying to catch this tin because you always think about you dropping, but don't think about that, just try do this position of your hands. So absolutely straight, look. So the next guys, the next one. So now finally I'm changing the grip and I'm holding it in the straight grip and also starting from this position. Yeah. And just sliding and look, and the tin goes here on my shoulder. I'm trying to move with the body ahead. So and catching the tin here. So look at my body also. Yeah. So you see, it's also depends not just about the rolls and how you're rolling, it depends how you're moving with your body. Try to help yourself with your body moving. Next roll guys, next roll looks like this. This one must be hard, I think. You don't need to just make the stall at the end, you can just roll and catch it. Yeah, like this. So, for example, yeah. So what I'm actually doing here, reverse grip, absolutely the same. In the beginning you must do the shadow pass first. You must do great shadow pass before you start this move. The shadow pass with no spin, just try to do this one. Yeah. And then when you need to go like this, from this way. So you're rolling the tin and the same time you turn to this hand, and this hand going absolutely straight, and you're trying to catch it here. So look, yeah, one more, yeah. So in the next and last move, guys, look like this. Yeah. So what we're doing? We're starting with this position, do the same roll, and then, as I already explained it also in my tutorial before, I'm trying to push by our forearm. So look, like push, and the same time I'm turning the hand, look, like this. So push and same time I'm turning like this. So I'm starting here and then turning my hand like this. And then just starting to control the tin here. The tin must be stopped in our elbow, and then we just make the roll here. So look. Yeah. So anyway, you have a lot of variation, and now you can do upgrades for these moves. So this is just the basic, normal basic moves, and I think you must know all of them and starting to use it in your routines. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Join my Instagram profile, there I post also a lot of tutorials, a lot of awesome videos, and follow my TikTok page, and there are already more than 100,000 people. Yeah, I'm super happy with that. There I post a lot of fails, a lot of crazy Flair stuff. And also go to my online Flair school that I teach people from all over the world. You can learn the best tricks from me there. Just go there, sign it, and start to practice right now. Keep practice and see you in the next video. Bye bye.